The Nilfisk SC2000 is a compact and highly maneuverable ride-on scrubber dryer with numerous innovations to ensure high productivity. The SC2000 takes significantly less effort to operate than a walk-behind machine. And with a working speed of up to 6 kilometers per hour, you can get the job done in one fast ride. Riding the Nilfisk SC2000 gives you easy access to a number of great features on the go. Our EcofLex technology ensures flexible and sustainable cleaning, not only saving the environment, but also your total cost of cleaning by reducing consumption of water and detergent. In addition, our SmartFlow system automatically controls solution flow according to the speed of the machine, guaranteeing consistent cleaning. Nilfisk SC2000 is a compact and highly maneuverable machine that can easily navigate around narrow spaces. For noise-sensitive areas, simply push the silent mode button and the machine will run in an ultra-low sound level of only 62 dBA. Many handy and easy-to-use functions have been built into the machine to optimize the operator's time. The innovative and easy-to-use Smartkey system ensures that the machine settings can be effectively controlled and correctly adjusted at any time. The yellow supervisor key allows the detailed setting of parameters or full access for a technician, whereas the blue user key makes the machine easy to operate with access to preset functions. Daily maintenance is quick and easy. With our patented elastic strap system, the cleaning of the squeegee is a simple job for the operator. The compact and easy-to-maneuver Nilfisk SC2000 is an efficient ride-on scrubber dryer that will keep you riding high on cleaning efficiency.